Welcome everybody, I'm Uncle Mark. You've obviously stumbled across my channel because you're looking to retrieve your door code. You've got an F-150 or other Ford product, probably in this same year that we're going to be dealing with, and you either forgotten the 5-digit code or you never had it. Now, it is retrievable in your owner's manual. There should be a card at the back, I believe, with the number on it. But because you've come to the channel here, you probably don't have that either. You can go to the dealer. That's going to cost you money. This way, we're going to show you how to do it. All you need are your 2 original keys. You need 2 of them, though. Watch how easy it is to do it. You can do it for free. Okay, so first thing we're going to have to do is get in our vehicle, and you want to have both keys available. You have to have them both available to do this. You need at least 2 keys. So what you're going to do is stick the first key in, turn it to accessory. Once everything's lit up, you can turn it off. You only have 10 seconds between this and the second key. Stick the second key in, turn it to accessories, and again, it has to be within 10 seconds. And look, there you go. There's the code. This thing's got a problem with a tire sensor monitor not working, so it wants to show this tire pressure fault, but there's the code right there. So you get a pen, write it down. We'll show you again. First key in, turn it on, everything lit up, turn it off, stick the second key in. You do this fairly quickly, within 10 seconds of each, and it should just pop up and light. Yours shouldn't say tire pressure sensor fault because you probably don't have that problem. There you go. It's that easy. And free. If you only have 1 key, you're going to have to take it to a dealer, and they're going to have to use a scan tool. That's going to cost. Well, that's going to do it for our video. That was pretty easy. How can you imagine somebody wanting to charge you to do that maybe you're a regular customer? If you have both keys, you saw how quick it was. Now, maybe you have the code and you don't like what it is. Who knows what it is? It's 96395. Is that 5 numbers? How are you going to remember that? Well, I can show you how you put your own code in. You're going to have to go to another video. We'll put it up here right now. And it's quite easy to do too. Please give me the thumbs up if you can. Subscribe down in the corner if you haven't done already. Check out the channel. Until next time, let's put the channel up here, just in case you don't know how to get to it. Until next time, Uncle Mark saying, you and your family stay safe. Bye-bye for now.
Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number 1. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Well, we'll tell you how to do that. It's really easier. What do you want to do though if you don't like the code? Well, we can show you how to do